Hi guys, welcome to this video. I'm Prashant. I'm the founder of Wordpandit and I'm bringing the series of videos to you wherein I explain previous year CAT questions. Here we've got a CAT 2018 RC question and we'll go through the analysis for the same. The question specifically asks you the phrase leaving laundry hanging on a line downward from a smokestack is used to explain how the ringed planets. So he's asking us why has the author used this particular statement. What is this statement implying? Before we get to the answer option analysis, let's go back to the context and understand what is the specific reference here. So the reason for thinking that Saturn's rings are young is the fact that these rings are bright in their nature. The solar system is suffused, it is filled with comet dust, and comet dust is dark. Leaving Saturn's ring system, which Cassini has shown to be more than 90% water ice, out in such a mist, the mist here is the mist of comet dust, is like leaving laundry hanging on a line downwind from a smokestack. It will get dirty. So imagine there is a smokestack, there is a stack of say wood or a stack of grass which has been set to fire, and there is smoke rising out of it, and there is a laundry line which is hanging downwind. So the wind is blowing in the direction of this laundry line. What is going to happen to this laundry line? Over a period of time, this is going to collect dust from that smokestack, right? From that the smoke dust, that ash, etc., etc. And it's going to get dirty over a period of time. So that is going to happen. Now the author has used this particular reference here for one very specific reason, and the reason follows in the following line. The lighter the rings are, the faster this will happen. For the less mass they contain, the less celestial pollution they can absorb before they start to discolor. Let's suppose the fact that the explanation that the author is trying to give here is that these rings are young in nature, and since they are young in nature, they are lighter in terms of their mass, they contain less mass, and since they contain less mass, they can absorb less celestial pollution. And since they absorb less celestial pollution, they do not begin to discolor as some of the older rings do. So this is what the author has implied in the given case, right? He's implied that these rings are relatively younger in age, and the fact that they absorb less pollution, they are lighter in nature, this helps us identify that. Now, this is what we understand with respect to Saturn in the given case. But then this particular line, what is this line itself implying? This line itself is actually an analogy. Analogy to the process of what? Analogy to the process of rings discoloring over a period of time. How they discolor over a period of time, how they accumulate comet dust, how when for example, a laundry line, when it is left downwind from a smokestack, it accumulates dust. Similarly, rings over a period of time, they discolor and accumulate comet dust. So that is what the author has used this reference for. Option number A, atmosphere absorbs comet dust. This is about rings. This is not about atmosphere. Ruled out. Rings lose mass over time. This is not about rings losing mass over time. It's about rings discoloring and darkening over time. Hence ruled out, and hence option number B is the correct answer. Moons create a gap between the rings. This is not a valid answer choice. We can see from the context itself, moons are not a reference point. This context is only about rings and rings collecting comet dust. So hopefully you are clear with this explanation now, and you've also understood this paragraph and what does this particular paragraph imply in the given context of the passage. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, happy learning.